Another day. Another day to be better than yesterday. About to head to the gym. You know, I gotta say bye to the pups real quick. Hey, 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 hey. Hey, 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 hey. What you doing, huh? 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 You want all the camera time, huh? Hmm? Get to bed. Get to bed, Nia. Lay down. Lay down. Alright. See y'all. Nice day. Let's go to the gym. Got something. All right, another day, man. Another day. It's chest day today. I might record, I might not. I'll record my cardio though. Gotta burn 300 calories on the Stairmaster today. Gotta get it. Kinda binged on food this weekend. Fucking gained 3 pounds, man. It's crazy. So I'm back up to 166. Yeah. This weekends, man, I just go crazy, eat anything. I need to stop doing that. So this week got put in overtime. Got put in overtime with the cardio after I work out. Lose these 3 pounds again. I actually gotta lose 6 so I can get back down to 160. That's the goal. But yeah, it's another day to get better, man. Another day to get better. Every time I walk past here, something be rattling over here. I don't know if it's rabbits. I seen a snake the other day. Could be snakes, lizards. I don't know. All I know is if I see something come out, I'm gone. I'm gone. Yeah, it's hot. Oh shit, look at the plane. It's closer in person, I promise you. But yeah, another day in Cali. How's all my Maryland people doing? Miss y'all. Hopefully I'm there before holiday season. You know, we'll see, we'll see. We shall see. Oh, now you won't be quiet. I swear I just heard some birds. I ain't gonna lie, I was scared the whole time. The fucking bird was loud as shit. Oh, they calling each other. They trying to jump me. Let a bird come at me. Let him. Let him. Cook that motherfucker. Just like your cousins get cooked on Thanksgiving, I'm gonna cook your ass. I ain't scared of no damn birds. What's up, man? Oh, shit. Very nice shit. Look at all this shit. Let me get up out that territory. Oh. Hey. These birds ain't playing over here. Oh. Yep. I'm not gonna lie, I'm scared. I don't mess with birds, man. Front facing camera now. I was on the rear camera, but now I'm on front, you know what I'm saying? Now I can see what I'm looking like. Even though the camera's here, I keep looking here, but the camera's there, so I need to be mindful of that. I always look at the screen instead of looking at the damn camera. How I look though? Let me get that lighting. Yeah, that boy look good. Huh? How I look though? Muscles popping. A little bit. Granted, I'm not the strongest in the world, but I'm glad with what I look like. That's all that matters at the end of the day. If you feel good about yourself, that's all that matters, man. That's all that matters. And I feel damn good about myself. See, I gotta get used to this vlogging. With cars coming past, when I see cars, I normally stop this shit, but I'm gonna keep it up. Damn, it's like 3 cars in a row. Fuck. Hey, what's up, buddy? Oh, she was cute. Damn. Hopefully she see this. You cute, girl. They bumping the bass over there. Bumping. Oh. Oh, here come another car. Damn. See, we getting nervous when cars come, but oh well. We just gonna keep going. We live and direct. Daily walks to the gym. That's why I do it. Kill time, man. Talking to y'all kills time. Hope that's the last damn car coming. I'm vlogging. I'm about to be the next big thing. You know what I'm saying? Tired of looking at other people's vlogs when I can make my own. So that's what I'm doing. I just gotta find some fascinating shit to start doing. Keep y'all entertained. Still got about 10 minutes of walking left. It's hot, man. It's hot. It's fall weather back in Frederick. Almost hoodie time, y'all lucky. I need to go buy some more shorts, some more tanks, because it's still hot out this motherfucker. It's crazy. They say here during winter, all it does is rain. No snow for me. Try to burn 300 calories. 300 calories in 20 minutes. Set the Stairmaster on level 10. Let's go. Currently on the way back home. About to go back to this bird spot. These birds be tripping, yo. I don't hear them right now though, so we might be good. Birds in the trap be trying to fight. These birds crazy. They don't sing Brian Mcknight out here. No, they still out here. Listen. They ain't running up like they was earlier. So yeah, today was chest and tricep day. I ain't recorded. And after that, 20 minutes of cardio, 300 calories burnt. Stairmaster, level 10. And yeah, that was that.
Young 17 niggas spitting on the track. Everything I said, I did it. Everything I wanna go get it. I ain't never been scared to go get it.